In this video, we'll dive into the highly anticipated showdown in the men's 110-meter hurdles between Jamaica and the USA. This event was hyped up as the Olympic champion Jamaica's Hansle Parchment versus three-time World Champion Grant Holloway of the United States and Commonwealth Games champion Rasheed Broadbell of Jamaica. Throughout the rounds, Grant Holloway looked impressive and determined that he was going to upgrade his 2020 Tokyo silver medal to gold in Paris, and the other medals seemed undecided. The semi-final saw all three Jamaicans in that of Hansle Parchment, Rasheed Broadbell and Orlando Bennett advancing to the final, making it the first time that this has ever happened. At the same time, the American trio of Grant Holloway, Daniel Roberts and Freddie Crittenden advanced to the final as well, thus making it a Jamaica versus United States showdown. Come final time, all 8 men were ready, and it all depended on speed along with who could cross the finish line in first. When the gun struck, Hansle Parchment and Grant Holloway got the best starts, as Holloway quickly separated himself from the field and seemed to have Olympic gold in one hand. The race for the silver and bronze medals was epic, as Rasheed Broadbell and Daniel Roberts were neck and neck. Grant Holloway crossed the line in 12.99 seconds to become the first American man since world record holder Aries Merritt to win the Olympic title. Both Daniel Roberts and Rasheed Broadbell ran the same time of 13.09 seconds. However, Daniel Roberts was given the silver and Rasheed Broadbell the bronze medal, making him the 4th Jamaican man behind Hansle Parchment, Omar McLeod and Ronald Levy to earn Olympic medals in the event. Orlando Bennett was 7th with 13.34 seconds and Hansle Parchment was 8th with 13.39 seconds to rule out the Caribbean placings in the event. Despite the obstacles and challenges being faced in Paris, our Caribbean athletes have delivered. Before you go, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this 110-meter hurdle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's celebrate our athletes together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.